My name is Kedron Thomas. I'm an assistant professor of anthropology at Washington University in St. Louis. My research is on the anthropology of clothing and fashion. I'm interested in how clothes are made, how they're marketed, what we wear, and what it says about us. So my current research is looking at the production and marketing of fashion and footwear in Portland, Oregon. And Portland is home to a number of companies, including Nike, Adidas North America, and a lot of mid-sized and smaller brands. And it's a great place to investigate what's happening in the fashion and footwear industries today. I started that research project wondering how executives and management level employees at fashion and footwear companies are addressing problems of environmental sustainability in their industry and thinking about labor ethics. I initially went to Portland to ask people about sustainability and labor ethics. But when I sat down with people at companies and in their offices and coffee shops around Portland, I kept hearing the term maker. And what I have found in my research in Portland is that many people who are involved in the fashion and footwear industry also have a connection to this maker movement. I'm researching that to understand how people are reconceptualizing and reconfiguring their relationship to tools, technologies, and labor. I find that people who are employed in the fashion and footwear industry today, they are disconcerted with feelings of alienation with regard to the labor they perform for corporations. They feel disconnected from the people who are on the other side of the global supply chains that they manage. And they want to feel a deeper sense of connection. They want to feel that their work is more meaningful. Interacting with and thinking about craft, artisanship, design as a process that really connects people with objects and materials. These are ways that people are seeking to challenge the status quo and to reshape a global industry. So the research I'm doing in Portland, Oregon is focused on the lives and work of people involved in the fashion and footwear industries. But I'm contextualizing that within broader changes that are unfolding in Portland. And this includes processes of demographic change. There are many young people who are moving to that city. This involves racialized displacement as people who have lived in Portland for a long time are getting pushed out to other parts, outer regions of the city. It takes me into the world of local politics and understanding how city officials are trying to bolster the fashion and footwear industry, which is so important to the regional economy, but also manage a lot of other challenges that are related to the influx of young people into the city. The research that I'm currently doing on the maker movement and its relation to changing dynamics within the fashion and footwear industries really takes us into the terrain of corporate social responsibility and also thinking about the relationship between corporations and governments and civil society. So I'm trying to really ground those conversations about corporate social responsibility in a cultural context that has to do with changing U.S. cities and the way that changes in a place like Portland impact a global production system.